I'll be sharing with you 25 YouTube video ideas that you can start right now, so you can start that dream YouTube channel. First is how to create your small business Instagram page. Second, how to create your small business Instagram content. Third, how to get your first follower on Instagram. Fourth, how to create Instagram stories. Fifth, how to create Instagram reels. Sixth, how to create Instagram posts. 7, how to create Instagram carousels. As you can see, all these video ideas that I put down is literally business based. So like if there's a new beginner business out there who doesn't know how to use social media, you can literally make a whole entire like playlist of you showing them how, and I have that playlist coming, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned on all these videos being posted on this channel. But yeah, you can literally create all these videos and show beginner business owners how to do this. But back to the YouTube ideas. So we have how to organize your small business Instagram aesthetic. So that is like the pictures that people see when they go over to your Instagram. How to, or it's like the landing page on your Instagram, whatever you want to call it. How to schedule content on Instagram, which is great for businesses. How to create small business YouTube channel is another YouTube video idea. So you can create your own YouTube channel and show the process. Make sure while creating a channel you don't give away passwords or anything like that. Cut that out of the video, but just show them the process on how you created your YouTube channel. You can also do, in YouTube there's this thing called community posts, so you can show your audience how to create YouTube channel community post section. I personally don't know a lot about that. I do use it, but it's like I don't have many subscribers, so it's like doesn't really get used by the audience. However, you can also show your new audience on YouTube how to create YouTube channel short videos, so the short form content. How to create a YouTube channel poll. How to create YouTube channel banner. How to organize your small business YouTube channel thumbnails. How to schedule content on YouTube channel, which you can schedule content. Schedule your YouTube videos. How I create YouTube ideas. And then this is more so you talking about you starting up your own business and like experiences you've personally experienced while starting up a business. So you can talk about business will never be easy, because business is not easy. It can be fun because you enjoy it, but it can be a lot of hard work in that. You can make business simple, but it won't be easy. That's another video idea. Make your business into action plans. Take your business idea and turn it into an action. So that's another video idea, is explaining how to take an idea, a business idea, and make it into action steps, like how you can go step by step and actually complete those action steps, which a lot of people don't know how to take the first step. So that could be a good video. Something you need to hear before starting a business. So I've learned a lot from talking to a few people over the past couple of weeks, and they told me things, like they told me something that I needed to hear before starting a business, so you can educate your audience on something that you've learned that they may need to know before starting a business. And this is a very similar one. It's just the next two is literally the same topic, but there's like thousands of things you can learn and actually talk about in these topics. It's like, this is the second last YouTube idea, and it's I wish I knew this before starting a business. Again, it's something that you learned by yourself or something someone else told you, and you're also now teaching your audience, so you can post a video on that. And then the last video idea for your new YouTube channel is, before starting a business, watch this. So before starting a business, watch this video that they're watching. So again, in that one you can literally talk about something you picked up on that other people don't notice in business, or something that you've learned. Again, the last three are very similar, but the titles are just named different, have different names. So that's the thing about creating content, is you can literally create 3 videos and have similar structure, but you're also telling them something new. You're giving them more value. And that's the thing, some people will find this video interesting, some people will find that video interesting, and you can get different audiences, but people with the same sort of mindset buy 2 videos that are named differently and have different video titles. But they're all the YouTube ideas that I had planned that I wanted to share with you guys. All these videos will be my content coming up. So I'll be teaching newbies how to do a small business Instagram page. I'll be teaching them how to do Instagram content, what I use, teaching you how to create reels, all of that fun stuff. So if you're interested in those, then definitely stay tuned. But this is all 25, I think I said 25 video ideas that I had for a newbie starting on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video was interesting. If you're going to go out and film any of these videos for your channel, then definitely let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.